Today, I'm teaching you verbs related to conversation. So let's start out with sign. To sign is done when you're winding hands. Fingers closed, point your fingers out, and you are going to move them in an alternating way towards yourself. You're also going to notice now that some people do it forward as well. Sign. To sign. This is often used especially by beginners learning to sign. Fluent signer. S hands, palms up. Sometimes people will open and close with both hands. And sometimes they'll just open and close with their dominant hand. Notice that my wrist is slightly popped out when I do this. When a person signs this, it means that they are a fluent signer. There's no learning about it. Sign. To be signing conversationally, I'm doing the same movement, an S to an open five, but I'm coming out alternating. I was throwing signs. I was signing with someone. To chat, open five hands, soft though. Don't hold them out really strong. Soft. And I'm moving them both from the wrist. I'm shaking them forward. To chat. To talk. A 4. And the sign of my pointer finger is touching my chin or below my mouth. Talk. 2 times. Talk. With 2 hands, to talk so much. Talk, 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 talk. Explain. Explain is done with 2 F hands. Put them so that the palms are facing each other and your fingertips are facing forward. And move them back and forth. Explain. Express. F's hands held towards your chest. Your boss hand is on top. And you're coming out and opening up the thighs to express. If I use one hand, it's poetry. To share poetry, to express myself. Discuss. Discuss is down with my non-dominant hand in an open knee position, palm up. My boss hand is a number 1, and I'm going to hit the side of it on my other palm 2 times to discuss. Present. Present is done with an open B hand, and I'm moving it from the wrist to present 2 times. Preach. Preach is an F handshape, palm forward, and I'm not moving it from the wrist. I'm moving it from the elbow forward 2 times. Preach. Present. Preach. Inform. To give information to. Inform is down with 2 squashy O hands. O, squashy O. I'm putting my box hand towards the top of my head, and my other hand is in front of my body. Then as I come out, I open up my hands. To inform. To inform. Tell. Pointer finger touching your chin or the area under your mouth, moving outwards towards the person. I tell you, I tell you, I tell you. You tell me. I'm going to touch my chin and touch my chest. Tell me, tell you,